It's been a while, but we're back, and we're with a mystery guest, Mr. Adrian Ramsey. Hi. And we're at the NCFC home opener. Full, as always. So come on, it's time for your pre-game predictions.
Alright, I'm saying... Let's get this video to 10 minutes. NCFC, they've been looking decent, and one of the kids I know is on playing for them. 2-1 NCFC.
Okay. Yeah, I'd probably say either 2-1 or 3-2. It's going to be a close game. We're ready to start the USL League 1 season. And that is some quality away fans. And here we go. Aggressive off the start already. The ultras are going crazy. Oh, and there's a chance. What are your thoughts on the first 15 minutes?
Boring. Bro, there's nothing.
Pretty packed. Here's a corner. Oh, what a shot! Bro, come on! That was... Why would you shoot that?
It's beautiful weather in it.
Almost. Yeah, the other team scored. Not surprising at all.
Who sold?
Everyone on the team. Bro almost sold. It's halftime, so it's time for some nice snacks.
Alright, so I've got chicken tenders and fries. So fries are 6.5 salt shakers out of 10 because they're very salty. Chicken nuggets, like McDonald's nuggets, and this thing, I don't know what the hype's about. I don't know. So there you go, professional food review. For the second half, we're going in the ultra section. This is about to go crazy. And here we go, second half has begun with a long ball. And a header. What a fast play.
Oh, absolutely. Didn't do anything. Here's a corner. What a header. What a cross, absolutely to no one. Oh. He got scared of it.
What a ball.
What a header, too.
That's my big team.
Oh. Okay, what a chance. My guy Adrian over here dropped his drink down there. I don't know if you can see.
I did nothing of the sort.
Yeah, you did. Well, here's the corner, which is absolutely useless. Ultra's going crazy over here. So that's it for this game after a wet game. Pretty boring, would you say?
Yes, trash.
Yeah, 1-0 loss, but hey, long season ahead.
Alright, so are we in a lane? Never mind. Alright, anyway.
that would have been
So,
hilarious.
We're currently crossing the America's longest highway. Hope we don't die. Look. And we might be in a lane, but wish us luck. So we're just walking back on the side of the road. Fire hydrant. Yeah, I hope we don't die. If we don't see any uploads, we're dead. Call help. But
Hope for the best.
What do you say again?
Thanks for watching and subscribe.
Oh yeah, thanks for watching and subscribe. Peace.